Unboxing BK6, everything you need to know. This video shows you what comes with the box and how to unpack it. I've got a 26-inch folding e-bike BK6. Opening the outbox by cutting all the wrapping strips. You will see the saddle on top and two small boxes. Get out the boxes and e-bike. Unpack the boxes and examine its contents. This contains everything you need to build your new e-bike. We've got lights, reflectors, adapter, charging line, manual book, and pedals. Make sure you can hold this part handy as you make them assembly the bike or in the future. Let's start with unwrapping the packing foam. Don't cut the wire by mistake. Unfold the frame and tighten the folding glass. Insert the stem into the head post. Put it in the buckle and fasten the clamp. Adjust to the rider's proper height and clip it. Don't forget to fasten the top clip. Insert the saddle, adjust to the rider's proper height, and fix the clamp. Get two pedals. L is for the left, R is for the right. Install to each crank arm. Assembling the reflectors and tail light. Tighten the screws. To test our e-bike, firstly switch on. Then turn on the display. You can check mileage, voltage, current and timing by short pressing the power switch, S+ and minus button for changing the riding mode and speed. Have a full charge before the go. It will need about 6 hours.